Hi. I'm getting an e103 error on my Nest Thermostat, been installed for 2 years.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Google says overcurrent issue. I'm seeing 200 milliamperes on the LIN.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Not sure. Yes, work myself.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Looking for some troubleshooting fixes.
Hello, my name is may sound silly. But has there been any landscaping or work done around the outdoor AC lately?
Potentially. My friend used a blower to clear some leaves around the condenser outside.
Leaving the nest is a wire labeled Y1. This is the wire to tell the outdoor unit to kick on. This wire goes from the nest to the thermostat, then leapfrogs to outside unit. The wire is relatively unprotected. It is basic thermostat wire that runs with the freon pipes outside. The biggest culprit for this code is damage to that wire. Do you have the means to inspect this wire by the unit? Or post pics for me?
I will go take a look. Interesting observation.
Standing by.
Okay, I found the wire from the slab up to the unit protected via flex conduit. All looks undisturbed, even when I opened the condenser wiring case. However, the underground sleeve used to run the copper lines and wire out to the unit is exposed at ground level. I then looked at the other side and found I have a pack rat nest in my return air plenum, where the conduit comes up. Obviously, I have to handle the pack rat issue. I'm guessing that the critter ate the yellow wire and a new one needs to be run. I'm assuming I can run a temp one to get my through the weekend and then have it done right next week. What does the yellow wire attach to on the furnace side?
Can you tell me make and model of furnace, and I can be specific. Or pics of the wiring. Is this AC only or heat pump also? Just found I must go a film for 20 to 30 minutes. Will respond as soon as I can.
Okay, I went and looked in the furnace unit and the wiring is very simple. I see the yellow coming from the condenser. I'm going to probably have to run to the store to get some wire. If this doesn't work, can I get back in touch with you here? I guess to say it another way, can I put a meter on the 2 wires at the condenser to ensure it is the issue? What voltage should I see when the unit is calling for cooling?
If you remove the 2 wire at the condenser, and the unit is calling for cooling. You should read 24 volts AC. You should, if AC only, have a wire from Y and C at furnace that run outside. If you need further help as you make progress, just let me know. Billy,
thanks so much. You helped me find the issue and I was able to run a new wire today and tidy everything up. You the man.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.